Alright, as you can see, I finished the ride. And the Pellking is very comfortable. I have 4 layers on. I have a thin t-shirt, a wicking t-shirt, I have a wicking long sleeve shirt, I have another cotton t-shirt, and then of course my reflective jacket here. And it feels comfortable. It didn't wiggle around much. We'll take a look at the video here in a little bit. And this is the key that I had to use to lock this thing in, which is the only issue that I have with this, and that is that you have to stop, untwist it, put it down, start and stop the camera, put it back up. So every time you want to do a point of view, you have to go through that process. No big deal. That's half the fun of making a video like this. The other thing is, I do have, this is the, got the school bus coming by. Kids probably think I'm weird, which I am, by the way. Anyway, this is the phone cover that I use. And if you notice on the end, I have some, these are dead cats for cameras. And I just ended up buying some and gluing them onto this secondary phone cover. And of course, the Pellking comes with a safety strap, so this goes around your neck. I did not feel at all like this was going to fall off. So, oh, there's Mrs. G. Give us a wave.
I'm going to the grocery store to get mushrooms.
I don't know what she said because I don't have my hearing aids in, but it had to be something. She's going to the car. Anyway, Thanks for watching, and take a look at some of this footage and see what you think. I did some of it with just the Steadicam, and I did some with the wide angle lens. I think I mentioned that on the video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. What's up with Richard? And today is really an alien experience. I'm riding my bicycle in January in basically spring riding wear. That's right, spring riding wear. Just got some tights on, a couple layers of shirts, bike helmet, and that's about it. Temperature when I left was 47 degrees, maybe getting up to 50 later this afternoon. It's overcast, but what a beautiful day for a bike ride. So sit back and enjoy some of the views up here near Union Pier, Michigan. That last little segment was me riding with the that last little segment was my review of the Pellking Chest strap, and that was just with the normal setting of steady on the camera, and now I'm in the super steady. I have to watch some stones here. Yeah, all this debris was pushed over here when they plowed the roads. But I'm on super steady now with the wide angle lens, and we'll see if we can see any kind of a difference here. As you can see, this is a multi-use path here. That's about a little over a year old. Oh, this wasn't here too long ago. Whoa. There have been a couple places where they've torn this up. The one place, I think I took them like 6 months before they actually fixed it. Be curious to see how long that one goes before they fix it. Heading into Union Pier. And this is a tricky corner for sure. It's always best to stop. I'll go a little bit further down here, and then I'll stop videoing for a while and just enjoy my ride. Whoa. Okay, I've just finished the Union Pier loop, as I call it, and I'm heading home. Up over the bridge, into town, because I have some other things I need to do yet tonight. It's my turn to cook dinner. I'll see you when we get home.